before we wrap up, I want to transition the conversation briefly to an exploration of writing and the creative process. Right? And talk a little bit about your journey of taking your passion and your enthusiasm and all of your ideas and experience related to this and putting it between the covers of a book.
Yeah, I would say I almost gave back the advance from the publisher and quit because the book was so hard for me to write. Like the resistance was so hard for me to write. And like I would sit down and I could talk about Sprouts for 5 minutes or 10 minutes or an hour at a time. Mm-hmm. But the contract was for 60,000 words.
That's a lot of words.
It's a lot of words. And I have a lot of education, just not academically and not, using the typewriter and the keys. Like this was just foreign to me. I was, a guy from the street. And so like, for me to have the discipline. And then I said, I'm going to sit and I'm going to write a minimum of 500 words every day. Like I could digress and go down rabbit holes, but I'm going to write 500 words a day. I'm not going to get up to go to the bathroom. I'm not going to eat. I'm not going to drink. My phone is going to be off. It's going to be me and the screen. And I don't care if I look at the word count in Microsoft Word, every other second, right, until I hit 500 words, but I'm just going to write the book. Mm-hmm. And I did that 500 words every day until the book was done.
With that, I hope you enjoy this conversation with my friend, Doug Evans.